Today I'm going to be showing you how to invite a user into your workspace. When you enter the workspace, you are taken to the risk assessments page. So to add a user, you need to click on settings, then click on members, and then you can click add a user. I can then add the email and the name into the invite user box, and then I can check for available roles, and I can assign either the collaborator role, which gives you access to the specific workspace, or the workspace admin role if the user needed to administer the workspace, add other users, and also change the settings. Because I'm at the workspace level, I can't add the organization administrator role or the branch administrator role. So when you click collaborator, you click invite, and an invite is sent to their email box. They'll then need to use that invite to sign up to the platform, and there's further instructions on a separate page for that. Thanks for listening.